Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a short video on my idea of the creation of my Galaga game. So if I was going to RAD this, the first thing I'd want to do is go project, save project as, and I'm going to call it PicturePool 1_2_1 Galaga V1_2017. I'll hit OK. It's going to resave that. And we're back. So now what I'm going to do is just go back and change everything. And really what you want to do here is go out and go to Galaga. Go to your images. And I can just go ahead and grab one of these. It doesn't matter. I can start pulling these bees out. And you just want to save this image. Put it into your documents. Go into PicturePool. Save it. And now I'm going to go back into that folder. Notice how I know where to put everything. Keep my stuff organized. And I'm going to right click, open that in GIMP. And that will open up in GIMP shortly. And now we're going to do some GIMP work. So another tutorial on how to do some GIMP. GIMP's cool because you can take anything like this, you can blow it up. And the cool thing about it is I can go ahead and just take out some of these objects that I want. So I can now go into my crop tool and I can crop out my firefighter, which is my fighter. Double click on him, Windows, Dockable Dialogues, Layers. Go ahead and add, right click, add your alpha channel and color pick your black. Now you can hit delete. Okay. So file export as gfighter.png. Export it. And before I go on, I'm going to go ahead and just look to see what it's going to look like in my game. Make sure maybe I want to get a better image. So I'm going to go to my Hummingbird, choose a file, upload, choose a file, and choose my fighter, and hit OK. Yeah, I'm not liking that at all. You guys with me on that? That's blurry, it's pixelated. I don't like that at all. So come down here to delete. So I'm going to go back here and try to find another. That one looks a little bit clearer. View image, yeah. That doesn't have the ship though, that does it. No. So you need to find one with a ship. That guy's pretty cool there, look at that. There's the guy right there. They're showing you how to make that in GIMP. You guys see that? How to make the fighter in GIMP. That's pretty cool. Yeah, these are pretty clear right here. So I can use these. View image, right click, save image as. Galaga. Go back. I'll need some of these. Look at that guy. That means he's a GIF. I forgot these bees start facing upwards, don't they? View image, that's a good looking image there. Save image as. Okay, so now I can go into GIMP, do some GIMP work on these. Right click, edit with GIMP. Open that guy up with GIMP. There he is. Enlarge that guy. Go ahead and crop this guy out. Get a nice little box around him. Pull that in a little bit. Crop it. Right click, add the alpha channel, color pick the black. Hit delete. That's a good looking spaceship. File, export as G fighter 1.png. Export. And now you can hit Control Z, go back to the image, and now you can get these other bees. I'm going to do the same thing. Crop the bees out, double click, right click, add the alpha channel, color pick the black, hit delete. File, export as red alien 1.png. Okay, Control Z some of this, go back to the image. Let's get the bee. So I'm going to go ahead and crop the bee out. You guys see how I'm doing this? Right click, add the alpha channel, color pick the black. Hit delete. File, export as b1.png. Okay, let's see if we got everything. Yeah, we did. That's everything I need in that image. Shut that down. Let's go to this guy here. Edit this guy in GIMP, and let's get those crazy aliens up top. So now I can crop one of these. Yeah. That's the third place you needed to go today. Yeah, go ahead. Right click, add alpha channel, color pick, black, delete, file, export as purple alien.png. Export it, Control Z it, go back, crop another one. Do you guys see how I can crop these and then I don't lose anything? Right click, add alpha channel, color pick the black, delete the black, file, export as. I'm just going to call it Mega Alien. Mega. This is the Mega Alien. Okay, that's done. Discard those. And now what I'm going to do is go get some kind of a cool background. So I want to create a background that looks like it's moving in the background. Does that make sense? So I'm going to go out here to Galaga, and I'm going to go Galaga backgrounds. And there they are. And now what I can do is take one of these here. Watch this. View image. Save image as. So this is the actual background. You guys with me on this? Watch this. This is pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Watch this. This is pretty cool. Okay. You guys see how I got this background from them? I'm going to go out here. And I'm going to go to edit with GIMP. Okay. Watch this. This is cool. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just crop out little segments of this and start making backgrounds with it. Okay. I'm going to blow this up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to go here. Okay, so that's a background. File, export as, and I'll just say this is background number 1. Replace, export. Okay, Control Z. And now I'll just go grab another section of this. I like the ones over here with the dots. I like the stars in them. And I'll say this is file, export as, background number 2. And I just replace what's in there. And I hit Control Z, and I just start selecting different dots around here. You guys with me on that? So that'll appear like the stars are moving. Does that make sense? Do you guys understand why I'm doing this? It'll appear that the stars are moving in the background when I start changing the images in the background. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Just kind of a cool thing to do. Okay, file, export as, background 4. Okay, go get some of these over in here. File, export as, background 5. Control Z. And I like these right here. I try to get as many stars as I can. Okay, file, export as, background 6. Okay, so now I'm ready to put these into my game. So let's just start going into MIT and start loading this up. Okay, so screen 1, does it have a background? Yes, it does. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and start deleting the stuff that I don't need. Okay, first of all, let's go ahead and put the bees. Oh, what are the bees? In Galaga, that'd be kind of cool if I had this. I don't want to hit these rays here, right? That's kind of cool too. I could like try to miss this space shuttle here. You guys see that? I could try to miss one of these. I could also miss a planet too. So I could put an asteroid in there or something if I wanted to. I kind of like this thing here. That's kind of cool looking. So I'm going to go to view image on that. Right click, save image as, download that. Right click, go into here, find that. Where is it? Right click, edit that with GIMP. So these are going to be my bees here. Remember, you always have to figure out what do you want to hit, what do you not want to hit. Yeah, this is kind of cool here. So I'm going to go ahead and crop this image out. Okay. And then add the alpha channel. I'm not sure I can color pick, but let's see what happens when I do. Let's see if I color pick this. You can just keep color picking this stuff. You guys can blow this stuff up and color pick it, you know what I mean? And just get rid of the stuff you don't want. Control, I like the yellow lights, that's cool. I can color pick all this. Get this guy out of here. Okay. And then if I wanted to, I can show you guys how to do this. Use a paintbrush. And I can go get a color picker here and pick this color, gray. And then I can start using my brush and start like brushing in this. Okay. Yeah. So I think I have to select the area first. What's that? What is the bottom one? What is the flat bottom? I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. So I'm going to export this as, I want to miss the satellite. I like PNG. Okay, so I'm going to go back into here. I'm ready to go. So let's go back in MIT. I'm going to go to my B. My B is then going to get, what's that? Okay, there's the satellite. So that guy goes to satellite. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to immediately name these. So this is going to be Sprite Satellite 1. Okay, so you know what everything is. This is going to be Sprite Satellite 2. Okay, and now you guys can just start going in here and uploading. So now one thing you do want to do is you want to go down in here, and now that I don't have any more B images, I want to go through and delete my B image. And I don't see it. So let's go into the red flower. We're going to upload, and I'm going to choose my red alien. Okay, there he is. And now I can go rename Red Alien 3. Okay, go into Red 1, and you're going to go to not a Red Petunia, but Red Alien. Okay, and then you're going to go down here, same thing, Red Alien. So you actually get pretty quick at this, and then make sure you rename them. So this is going to be Red Alien 2, and this is going to be Red Alien 1. So everybody see what I'm doing here? Okay. And now, okay, let's make the blue ones. We'll make those the mega aliens. So we want to go to Mega Aliens. Where's my Mega? Purple. There he is. And we'll go down here to purple. Go down here, go to purple. And then he's going to rename this as purple. Purple Alien 2. Purple Alien 3. And this is Purple Alien 1. Now let's go in here, upload, choose a file, and this guy goes the bees. That's my bird, so the bird has to go to my G-Fighter 1. Nice. This is going to go to a B. This is going to go to a B. Deuce, whoa, 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 whoa. Bird. Bird has to go to G-Fighter. This one back here has got to go to a B. All right. Screen 1, background. Choose a background, background 1. And then I need to upload all these backgrounds. Background 4. Background 5. And background 6. Okay, so that's basically my game. How big are these? 50 by 50. How big are these? 50 by 50. And now, if you want, you can go get a Galaga song. Did we have a Galaga song last time? What song did I use last time? So, I guess now we can go to YouTube. And who was that? Galaga theme song. 9 seconds. That's it. It's the 9 seconds. Copy that. Go into YouTube to MP3 converter. Okay, so that's now, I need to show that in a folder. Right click, copy, and let's go to my documents. Okay, turn that off. Turn that off. So then you're going to go to your music, source, upload, choose a file, Galaga theme song, hit OK. Okay. Now, what you guys need to do, okay, is rename this. Okay, player Galaga theme. Um, so I need to go get some sounds for the hummingbird and the bee. Okay. So now what you need to do is if you're not using something, you need to delete it. Okay. So delete whatever you're not using. Audio player. I don't know what that is. So BMP3 we're not going to use. Um, the grass we don't need anymore. Hummingbird we don't need anymore. Hummingbird call MP3 we don't need anymore. Not a MP3 we don't need anymore. Pause Q PNG we need. The Pim perennial we don't need. That was a flower. Red petunia was a flower we don't need. You guys want to delete everything you're not using. Steam yellow floor clock is a flower. I know it doesn't sound like it, but it is. B. Nope, we need that. What? What? Yeah, you need to make a decision if you're going to use time or lives to end the game. Now, some people had this idea. You could have a time that goes up, start at 0 and go upwards. And then whoever plays the longest, you could get points for how much time you play. For example, if you have 10 lives and I lose my 10 lives in 10 seconds, I'm not very good. If you have 10 lives and you play for 90 minutes, you're pretty good. You with me? That can be another thing you could want to do. Uh-oh, I just deleted something. What was that? What button was that? That's my mute button. Uh-oh. So I lost my mute button picture. So does everybody see what I'm doing here? I'm going to make these a little bit bigger. So just get your GUI right. guess I could go out and I could go to YouTube and try to look up Galaga. Galaga fighter. So I just went ahead of YouTube and I ripped off the Galaga sounds, and now I'm choosing a sound, and I have shot fire shot for that, and the aliens, I found one for them, alien. And now you're ready to go. And if you look in your code blocks, all this should be done for you. When you rename it, it should automatically rename for you. And I don't need these. Okay, so now we can run our, that's basically the game that I did in 30 minutes. You guys had a week to do something that I just did in 32 minutes. Are you with me? How do I know it's 32 minutes? Because I recorded this. All right. Keep calm and code on. Day tomorrow.